another go-to ko din talaga for ubo, oregano. At dinidikdik ko din yan after washing. Tapos, pure. As in pure. Walang halong sugar or anything, honey. Wala. Hindi ganun kabilis like over-the-counter meds or kung magbibigay ako ng antibiotics. Tsatsagain mo lang talaga like every day. Every morning, kukuha ko ng dahon sa garden ko. Didikdikin ko yan. I-extract ko yan. Yung kamay ko, as in, yung mga fingers, yung nails ko dito, nangingitim na yan. Tapos, tsatsagain mo talaga. And inaano ko yung mga anak ko. Dinitrain ko silang uminom. First, second days, third days, halos controlled ko na yung condition nila. And talagang gumagaling na yan sila.
Like and subscribe.